Good morning. Welcome to the shop. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're testing the Sculpfun C1 3-watt laser machine and the H5 Honeycomb fume extractor. Let's see how well they work together. First, you want to get your laser set up, powered on. Then you want to connect it to whatever software you're using. I have mine all set up. I'm going to burn my logo into some plywood. It's just a 3mm basic plywood. So let's start to burn and we'll see how it works. Now, as you can see, we're getting smoke from the laser. With the H5 Honeycomb, it has got a fan in it. As you can see, as it powers up, it pulls the fumes out. It does a really good job at it. Okay, as you see, we've got the laser running. We have very few fumes escaping because of the H5 Honeycomb fume extractor. It will work with a larger footprint laser. It's not just designed for the small units. The C1 and the H5 are a great combination, especially if you're starting out working in a smaller area. You don't have a dedicated shop, something like that. You could vent this out a window. Highly recommend both. Links for both will be below. And I'll show you the finished product on the burn here in just a moment. Okay, so here's my final thoughts. The Sculpfun C1 3-watt laser engraver. It's easy to use, does nice, crisp, clean engravings. The H5 Honeycomb keeps the air clean. Both are good tools for small crafts, craft shows, things like that. They make a great team. So check them out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.